Let's take this question now. Time taken by 7 men and 8 robots to complete a job working together is 70% less than the same job done by 3 men and 2 robots. So 7 men plus 8 robots, and the second team is 3 men with 2 robots. So this team, time, the ratio of time taken by them is given as, if this team takes 10 units of time, then first team takes 70% less time. So it can do the same job in 3 units of time. Now, if six robots can finish the work in 4 days, then 3 men, then the number of days required by a group of 3 men to finish the same job. I need to find number of days. This much is given. Now I can relate the efficiencies because I know the efficiencies of these two group would be in the inverse ratio, because we know that time is inversely proportional to efficiency, right? Or efficiency is inversely proportional to time. If you increase efficiency, time taken is decreased when the total work is constant. So this is the relation between time and efficiency, right? Now you can relate the efficiencies of man and robot like 7m plus 8r. This team, the efficiency I'm assuming for every man is m unit per day and r unit per day for each robot, right? So it would be 3m plus 2r for the second team, and these efficiencies are in the ratio 10:3. Let's cross multiply and write the m and r, right? So even 21 and 30. So when you take the difference, you write 9m is equal to 24 minus 24r, or m upon r. The efficiency of men and r robot are in the ratio 4:9. So can you see, we can fairly assume these numbers, right? I can assume that a man complete 4 units per day, a robot complete 9 units per day, right? So by using these numbers, I can arrive at the total work from here, right? If 6 robots finish a job in 4 days, so the efficiency of robot is 9 units per day. 6 robots would be equal to 6 into 9, and for 4 days they do this work. Now this is equal to 36 into 6, that is 260. This is the total work, right? Now the number of days required by 3 men to finish the same job. If 3 men are required to finish this job, number of days required by them would be, total work is 216, and the efficiency of 3 men would be 3 into the efficiency of each man is 4 units. So this this get cancelled by 372 times, and it get cancelled by 418 times. So the team of 3 men would require 18 days to finish the same job. So correct answer is 18 days.